June 8 is celebrated as the World Brain Tumor Day. The concept of starting a Brain Tumor Day happened sometime in the year 2000 in Germany, but ever since then it's become a worldwide phenomenon. Essentially, this was started to increase awareness of brain tumors in public life. Brain tumor word itself sounds very sinister, and the connotations it has are very grim, and understandably produce that kind of an impression in general public. I think it's extremely important for the public to understand, and for us as doctors to bring it to disseminate this information, that brain tumors have come a long way since the beginning of the century, or ever since the father of neurosurgery, Harvey Cushing, started neurosurgery. Now with increasing investigations, our techniques of surgery, availability of high-end instrumentation in our theaters, brain tumor prognosis is, or surgical risks are like any other surgery. If you look at brain tumors generally, brain tumor basically can either begin in the brain itself, that is beginning de novo, or brain tumors rarely start somewhere else in the body and then spread to brain. 40% of the tumors spreading from developing in other parts of the body can go to brain. Now, if you look at brain tumors per se, the primary brain tumors, that is, brain tumors are essentially of two kinds. One is they are benign tumors, which means that they are not malignant tumors, not like cancer-like tumors, and they can be cured with appropriate treatment, which most often is surgical in most of the cases. The another group of tumors is which are malignant tumors. These are cancers of varying grades of tumors. They could be mild grade, moderate, or a severe, depending on how their malignant potential. Now, even in this group of tumor, now with the development of science and our surgical techniques and high-end radiotherapy and chemotherapy available, the prognosis is pretty good compared to what it was a decade ago. I think the most important part, which I think we and our part and the media in general will have to, is our duty, is to ensure this information going to most of the public. The idea being that these tumors should be diagnosed early, which means the people have to understand what were the basic symptoms when they should consult a doctor. Like any tumor in brain would either present with symptoms of raised intracranial pressure. That is, he will have an unremitting headache, can have vomiting and associated visual or other symptoms. Another symptom is depending on the location of the tumor. So these tumors could produce a deficit of that. You might have a weakness, you might have a numbness of one side, or depending on if a particular nerve is affected, you might have visual problems where the eyesight is. In all those conditions, I think it is important for people to go to doctor early enough so that the diagnosis can be made early. The earlier the diagnosis is made, the better the prognosis, better the surgical possibilities of good surgical result. Now, once a diagnosis has been made, unfortunately, in our country, in our place, in our city, people still delay coming to the doctors. I think that is another thing that is extremely important, that doctors advised us for, and prompt treatment, be it surgery, radiotherapy or chemotherapy, is started as soon as early. We at Shri Mata Vaishno Devi have created an excellent neurosciences department where we have facilities for investigative facilities of high-end both CT scans and MRI scans. We have a dedicated, a very sophisticated, well-equipped theatre with microscopes, CUSA, drills of all kinds, like anywhere else in the country. We have now a dedicated intensive care unit for these patients where trained sisters and nurses are available all the time. The team at Narayana comprised of 2 neurologists, 2 neurosurgeons, 1 neurointensivist. So it is a dedicated team looking after these patients. I think we continue doing this, and we'll pursue this our endeavor to bring this information to people that we are capable of looking after you and providing the same high quality care that is available anywhere in the country. Thank you.